Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to show you the daily combos in hamsterkombat.as. You know, the listing of Hamster Kombat is happening very soon, which means now is the perfect time to get ahead. Make sure to collect as many coins as you can and convert them into profit every hour to maximize your gains. In just 5 minutes, we'll be releasing the daily combo cards right here on our channel. These combos are crucial for dominating the game, so you won't want to miss out. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're the first to know about all our latest updates and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.